Welcome. This is Waec year 2018 Commerce Pass question. Question number 20 says the reason for sending a Proforma invoice to a potential consumer is that it is a potential consumer could be a potential buyer too, could be a buyer. Then an indication of the seller's willingness to grant credit. B, a polite way of telling the consumer to return the goods. C, an invitation to the buyer to buy on higher purchase. D, a polite way of refusing to sell on credit. The correct option here is option D, a polite way of refusing to sell on credit. That is the reason why Proforma invoice is always passed across to buyer by the seller. That is an invoice that indicates the amount of goods that the buyer requested for. They simply means that pay, then it will be supply. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.